Morning everyone and happy Wednesday. So today we're very excited. I have the help of Hannah and Sammy who are going to be helping me make parathas, triangle parathas, which is something that I used to eat when I was a little girl and now my children eat. We're going to be sharing in this video how to make parathas and so we're going to get started. The ingredients we will be needing today, we have 2 cups of flour. We have a teaspoon of salt, which will go into the flour. We have some water for kneading the dough. We have some oil and we have some spare flour, which we'll be using for dusting. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt into our atta, into our flour. Mix it up a little bit. We're going to add some water. Sammy, you don't want to mix up the water in the dough, do you?
I do.
Do you?
I do.
Okay. So, because it can get a bit sticky on your fingers, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what Mummy's going to do a little bit of mixing. Remember, don't mix it on top of your knuckles. Make sure you just keep it on your fingers. Otherwise, your fingers will get really, really sticky. Hannah, you want to have a go?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Remember, just use the tips of your fingers. Can you just mix it up? Thank you. Okay. Lovely. Okay, now, it's a little bit wet, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour into it. So we have the right consistency. And then we are going to punch it. Sammy, are you ready for punching?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
So Sammy's doing good punching for us in the bowl. That gives it a little bit of very strong punches. Whoa! Okay, let's give Hannah a turn. Right, so we each have a ball. Right, Sammy? Yeah? Can you put your ball in the palm of your hand and make it into a nice round circle, like a sphere, isn't it? Yeah? Lovely. Okay, make it into a nice round ball. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spread it out to make it into a flat circle. Can you try and make it into a flat circle for me? Yeah, nice. Okay, now you can put it down once it's flat. And then you can turn it around so it makes sure it's got covered in flour. I know, it's sticky. We can just do this to take the sticky bits off. Yeah? Now the sticky bits have come off. Right, so we just cover in flour on both sides of it. And then you can get your rolling pin and roll it out into a circle for me, please.
Oh
yeah, you can put some flour on the rolling pin so it doesn't stick. Shall I put some flour on your rolling pin so it doesn't stick? Lovely. Very nice. And turn it around a little bit and do it again. There we go. Nice little circle coming along there, Sammy. Let's turn it around again. Make sure we've got flour so it doesn't stick on the table. Oh, yeah, when it gets stuck like that, we've got to stop and put a little bit more flour. Okay, Hannah, just hold on. That's nice. So you're ready to go with the oil, so we just put yours down here. Hannah, I can help you with that. It can be solved. Just pat it with a bit of flour, so it doesn't tear anymore. Sammy, yours it off. We might have to start again, Hannah. Okay, we roll it into a ball. Make sure there's lots of flour. That's enough, Sammy. Make sure there's lots of flour. Pat it out into a nice flat circle. Make sure there's lots of flour so it doesn't get stuck. Let Mummy help you. Hold it with me. And hold it with me. And we just don't want to push it too much because we don't want it to break. When it starts sticking, we need to just turn it around a little bit. Stop, Hannah. Stop. Okay. Right, let Mummy do this one. There we go. Just want it to be a nice, as round as we can get it, circle. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Nearly there. And then we get our oil. Right, so what we're going to do now, we've got our nice envelope type shape. We're going to roll it out. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just turn it around and you can give it a go. Hannah, you too?
Okay.
Okay, put a bit of flour and roll it out. It's fine. Roll it out. Not too hard. Gently. Right, Sammy, not like that because that we won't be able to eat. You've got to do it gently, okay?
I will.
No. Okay. Not squeezing it onto the table. That's it. Right. You've got to make sure it's evenly spread out. That's perfect. Thank you, Sally. You can stop now. Thank you. Right.
Now can I put it in the oven?
Nearly. Let's just finish off Hannah's and then we can put it in the pan. Our pan is a special pan. It's called a tawa, that's right. Now, if you do not have this pan, it's not a problem.
You can just use a pancake pan.
You can use a pancake pan or you can use a frying pan.
And you can still see what pan.
And you can, you can tablecloth if you want to, because Peppa Pig does.
Yeah. But she uses pancakes.
Right.
Yes. And then it goes on, and then
pancakes
it goes.
are also made of flour, so it's okay, right?
And when I watched it, it accidentally went on the roof.
Whoopla. Right, ready? Sammy, if you can come off your chair, we're going to take this over to the cooker. So we're gently going to put this onto the pan, right? And we're going to dot some oil around it. So it doesn't stick to the edges.
The dots are like spinning around.
Right, and then what are we waiting for?
Bubbles to come up.
Right, watch your fingers,
There's some bubbles there.
Yeah, but where do the bubbles need to come?
It comes on it.
On the roti, on the paratha?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so when the bubbles come on the paratha, that's when we know we're nearly ready to turn it around.
Yeah.
To cook it on the other side.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
And then it will be done, and then I can eat it with honey.
Ooh. Is that how you like to eat it?
And sugar.
And sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I used to eat it with sugar when I was little. Oh, there we go. Nearly. Okay, I can see, can you see some bubbles?
Yeah, I can see a bit.
Watch your fingers, darling. Watch your fingers there.
See a
Put your
bit
finger there. Good boy.
You see a bit some down there.
Yeah, Okay, nearly ready. So, proper puffy now. I'm going to turn it around. And we're going to put a little bit of oil just around it. Make it nice and golden. And then let's get a plate for Hannah. And Hannah is ready to eat hers. So Hannah likes to eat her paratha with sprinkles of sugar, which is how I used to eat it when I was a little girl. Sammy likes to eat his with honey and sugar. Put a little bit of sugar because that's quite sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, not too much sugar, isn't it?
Honey's already having sugar.
Okay, so here we have delicious parathas, triangle parathas made by Hannah and Sammy. Should we just have a quick look, Sammy? Can we show everyone? The different layers. So there's all these different layers inside it.
Yeah.
And you can eat it by tearing apart the layers, or you can eat it by just rolling it up like a pancake.
I'm showing them apart.
So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching us making our triangle parathas. And I hope you give it a go. Don't forget to subscribe and catch me on Facebook and Instagram as well. And let me know how you got on. Say bye, guys.
Bye.